Hello food lovers, today we are taking a wild ride into the world of stuffed brinjals or eggplants baked without an oven. Excited? Let's dive right in. First up, grab a brinjal. Yup, that's an eggplant. Make some slits in that brinjal like you're opening pages of a mysterious novel. In a deep vessel, add 250 grams of salt. You can also add sand here. And this is going to be our makeshift oven actually. So take a plate with raised edges. This one is from a no-muss stand. Place it on top of the salt or sand. Put the lid on and let it preheat for 15 minutes. For the stuffing, we need round slices of tomatoes, some sliced capsicums, onion slices, salt according to taste, chopped green chilies, chopped garlic and some olive oil. Dip the veggies in salt and then give them a nice olive oil bath. Now gently stuff them into the brinjal's slit like tucking them into a cozy veggie bed. Don't forget to sneak in those green chilies and garlic bits. Brush the remaining olive oil on top of the brinjal and it is ready to be baked. Already looking delicious, isn't it? Now let's prepare our baking dish. Grease it with some olive oil. Butter works too if you are feeling fancy. Line it with butter paper if you have it. If not, no biggie. Gently place the brinjal with all the lovely stuffing into the baking dish. Put the dish on our hot plate, cover it with the lid and let it bake for 15 minutes. And voila! Your hassle-free, oven-free stuffed brinjal is ready to dazzle your taste buds. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves and serve it up with poori, kulcha, naan or ghee roti. Watch it become the star of your monsoon feast. Don't forget to like, share and comment below on how much you loved this dish. Until next time, keep cooking and keep smiling. See you again with another exciting video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye.